The Samsung next large flagship-level gadget will be arriving in less than a month. We already know various leaks and rumors regarding the device, which gives us a fair sense of what to expect. According to the leak, Samsung will feature a 24-megapixel default camera resolution on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is interesting because we have already seen this in the iPhone 15 Pro Max this year. Until recently, every smartphone was using 12 megapixels as its default resolution. For collecting images and then using pixel binning technology to upscale and boost quality, but now with this new 24-megapixel resolution, you may expect to potentially find a balance between image quality and storage. The latest phone's 50-megapixel and 200-megapixel camera options are amazing. It may feature 3 settings: portrait, remaster, and delete. With the picture remaster option, users may rapidly touch up their images, making them appear as good as new with just one swipe. Furthermore, the camera may contain an NV filter for 24-megapixel RAW photos, comparable to Samsung Expert RAW. The NV filter will assist users in improving image quality by limiting light entering the camera lens. This will enable users to shoot beautiful photographs in bright environments, perhaps making the Samsung S24 Ultra a good option for photographers. As someone who is now using the newest iPhone 15 Pro Max, I admire Samsung's likely choice to convert to the Galaxy S24 Ultra main camera, which will default to 24 megapixels. This adjustment is expected to improve the detail in every image. It will be interesting to see whether the modifications will also be arriving in other Samsung S24 models, such as the normal S24 and S24 Plus. It stands to reason that these handsets would also have the main camera set as the default. Wise from 12 to 24 megapixels, much as the 4 iPhone 15 versions. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.